Homemade chicken and dumplings is one of the easiest meals you can make in a crock pot. First, you take your chicken breast, cut them up. I use scissors or a knife, whichever. Put them in my crock pot. Put some broth in there. Cover it and let it cook for 2 hours. Then I take some canned biscuits and I break them up into little bitty pieces. Drop them in along with some salt and some black pepper. Let them cook for about 2 more hours. And then you're ready to eat some of the best chicken and dumplings you ever put in your mouth.